Maui. 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 Okay, looking for humpback whales here. Let's see if we get lucky. Looking for a spout. There's a spout. You might have missed it. Did you see it? There's another one, way on out there. I'm looking with my naked eye, not the camera. I need to zoom in. There's a whale watching boat right there. They're having babies right now. They protect their babies right here in this area around Maui. They may not leave until April or so.
Slight right.
Nice little baby bath here, but no one's in the baby pool. No one's in the baby pool. Yeah, I guess a little bocce ball. That hurts. Ritz-Carlton, Kapalua. It's here for the Mercedes-Benz Championship. Now it's called the Century these days. Tournament of Champions, PGA Tour. But if you got the cash, we just came over here for happy hour and watching the NFL Championship Sunday. Can you see that there? Yeah, there you go. But very nice here at Ritz-Carlton, Maui. Kapalua. Very nice golf here. Unless you're having rainstorms and flash flood warnings. All the golf courses are closed, unfortunately. Too bad, so sad. Maui. And this is where you leave your lei. Apparently so. Welcome to Maui. Sights and sounds of Maui. Small pull-off spot on the road to Hana. You can see the folks down below in their four-wheel drives. Not sure how they got down there. On the beach, but we've had a lot of rain. We're having to go back the same way we came because the back road is washed out. Highway 360 on the back side is totally washed out, so we're having to backtrack. Keopuka Rock, featured in the opening scene of the original Jurassic Park movie. Yes, sirree. Yes, sirree. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Zoom in. Jurassic Park opening scene. Sweet. Mahalo for watching. Rod's Random Reviews, the sights and the sounds of Maui. Aloha. Larger than the banana trees in my backyard. Yep, a little larger. Blue marble tree. Not sure where I'm headed here. Is this a cave? Is it a dead end? They did film Jurassic Park here, by the way, parts of it. Here on Maui. Totally enclosed here. Hope it's not going to be a dead end. Talk about being in the jungle. Talk about being in a jungle. Let me give you a 360 here, just so you know. 360. Sorry about going so fast. But yep. 360. Maybe there is an opening on the other side. Yes, there's hope for me yet. There's hope for me yet. There is an opening. Maui. It's a little cool today, only about 70 degrees, but
big enough town that...
This is the road to Hana, and most of these road to Hanas, you're going to see the bridges are one way, so be ready. A lot of chickens here. But yeah, so you have to yield the right of way on the road to Hana. Kind of see it's raining, overcast, not your ideal situation, but a lot of picturesque views along the way, even though it is overcast. One-lane bridge, of course. It's a one-lane bridge. Jungle. Yes, ashes were spread here at once. No, ladies and gentlemen, we are not in Key West. We are in Maui. These roosters are everywhere. To Hana. Get a chance, even if it's raining, take the road to Hana. A lot of spots along the side of the road. You might see some whales. January, February, March. You might see someone surfing. There must be a local. There's a surfer. They know these waves. They know how to navigate them. There they are, waiting on the big one. Catch a wave. Sitting on top of the world. Beach boys from California. Not Hawaii, so I'm gonna catch one here. It's a nice wave. Alright guys, keep going, keep going, keep going. Guy got it. Yeah, a couple of them got it, I think. There he is. Fishtails or whatever that's called. Nice job. Airborne there. Nice job. Ooh, like that. Yeah, I know a little bit about chickens. These little guys and gals are not more than 2 or 3 days old. 2 or 3 days old, right here, living in paradise, living on top of the world in Maui. Sights and sounds of Maui. Yep. Little cattle ranch here on the beautiful coast on the road to Hana. And in addition to the chickens, we have wedge-tailed shearwater Hawaiian seabirds here. You can hit pause if you want to read about the seabirds. Whales. Another brave soul. Got his skateboard, and his surfboard, and his backpack, and his bare feet. Sights and sounds of Maui.
Coco.
Yeah, throw them up there. Go, baby. Go, go, go. They're all gone. They're all gone. There he is. Or she.
Where's the baby?
It's right there.
There she is.
I know.
Come on up,
top,
baby.
Huh? There's a baby.
It just popped up there.
Yeah, right there.
Just email and say, show what you want.
By yourself?
Come on, there we go.
You wanna come
Come
up
on.
here?
Oh, I'm good.
Come
You
on,
got
Taylor
room? You
Swift.
can see it?
Bring them up. There we go. Show us your tail so we can catalog it. Get some air.
Pretty good, huh?
Not
Big
bad.
size difference there.
There's a
80,000 pounds, 40 tons is about the weight of a full-size humpback whale.
huge.
Well, we're slowly going to move on out of here, folks. So these whales should be.
There it goes. There it goes. Oh. Baby. Aw, cute. Time for a breach.
Just kind of bebopping there, taking it easy.
Whale watching, having a blast. Mahalo.
Yes, they do get sunburned. Yeah. What do you guys notice? That? Now, what looks like we have here, folks, is a pretty healthy, pretty sturdy, smaller one. Looks like a late 2022 model. That one's probably about ready to head back up to Alaska. Now inside Ma'alaya Bay, that's this entire bay right here, folks. Pretty much everything from the right-hand side of the boat into shore is kind of a humpback whale nursery. It's pretty shallow in here. We're only in 135 feet of water right here. Crystal clear blue water most of the time, folks, and it's warm. There's no natural predator to the humpback whale out here in the state of Hawaii. So you guys can go to all the islands and see humpback whales. However, the most dense area of humpback whales you're ever going to see in the state. Water. It's very, very shallow for where we are. So they do like the shallow water to give birth and to raise their young, you know, for the first few weeks of their life.
Maui. Sights and sounds of Maui. Kapalua, got to love Kapalua. Justin, hey buddy, Xander, Dustin, Justin again, Jordan, there we go, Patrick, my man Zach, played golf with him before, Duval, Tiger, met Tiger once. Tiger Woods told me you're good. Yep, good, true story. Tiger Woods told me I was good one time. Ernie Els, Stuart Appleby. Stuart Appleby loves this course. VJ, Daniel Copra, Jeff Ogilvie, remember him, back to back. Jonathan Bird, Steve Stricker, the man, the legend. Dustin, who hits it stupid long. Sights and sounds.
A 7.5-year-old, a 5.5-year-old, and a almost